I'll bloody wait all day for this weather. There's absolutely no way I'm going to film in artificial light. Absolutely no way. Natural light all the way. It's dark. It's gone overcast. I can't film. It's just too dark. So I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait it out. I'll wait all night. Nice simple flavours this week. You've got scallops, you've got cauliflower, green beans, tomatoes, all relate nicely. Absolutely beautiful. Very, very simple. So I'm going to be doing seared scallops, cauliflower puree. I mean, come on. Scallops, cauliflower puree, that's a classic. Green beans, I'm doing like a green bean tomato stew. Really, really nice. With some chili flakes and some grated garlic and a few other little bits and bobs that all relate nicely. I really enjoy cooking this meal because it's so simple to make and it tastes absolutely amazing. It really, really does. And the star of the dish is the cauliflower puree. Just very, very simple. It's cauliflower and milk, salt and pepper. Yeah, you can add some other stuff, butter. But it's cauliflower, milk mainly, and salt and pepper. It's just an explosion of cauliflower. So intense and it's beautiful. So simple. So sit back and relax, click the bell, like the video, subscribe, and enjoy. Thanks, guys. For the cauliflower puree, add milk to a pan, followed by cauliflower. Bring to a light boil and cook until tender. Strain off the milk, but also keep the milk for the puree. Add cauliflower to a blender. Now add the milk little by little to a consistency you want. Add to a sieve and push through with a ladle. By doing this, it will make the puree extra smooth. Season to taste, mix well, and keep warm. Next, blanch the green beans for 1 minute. Add to an ice bath and put to one side. Finely diced shallot. Add olive oil to a pan. Add shallots, followed by salt and pepper and tomatoes. Stir well and cook for 1 minute. Next, add water or stock. Now cook the tomatoes for about 10 minutes. Using a masher, gently press on the tomatoes. This will create a delicious sauce. Add green beans and stir well. Now, I turned on the switch of doom, and for me that's artificial light. I cannot stand it. I hate it. To me, it doesn't make your videos look good. It really doesn't, and I just love natural light. It just makes your food and your pictures just pop. It's amazing. So it won for a little bit, but then I turned it off, and I got the shots. But just want you to know, I can't stand artificial light. Anyway, carry on. Season with salt and pepper. Add grated garlic. And for some kick, some chili flakes. Mix well and keep warm. For my protein, I'll be using scallops, and they go so well with this dish. Season well with salt, add olive oil to a very hot pan, and add the scallops. I cooked mine for about 1.5 minutes on each side. So there you have it, classic delicious flavours done well. So get in that kitchen and have a go. It's easier than you think. Thanks guys. Hello guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's some videos here that you might like related to the video I've just done, or there might not be. But what I want you to do is subscribe, like the video, click that bloody bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So yeah, and enjoy some videos here. I've got a few videos up here. So just click on them and enjoy. Thanks guys.